I hope all is well. Welcome to my 2-month lock update video. I'm happy you clicked to watch and you're tuning in, and hopefully you'll learn something from this video and we can share some knowledge with each other. If you are in your month 2 as well, happy anniversary, and let's get going. So we're gonna start with my 360 for this month. Excuse the mess in the background. I am cleaning up while I record, so we're trying to get it together. So let's start with the front half of my hair. I still do have this spot, as you can see. Let's see if it will focus. This area, of course, and this area is doing amazing and is growing in. So this is the front half of my hair. As you can see, I'm still having the issues with my where my left side is still significantly longer than my right side, but it's okay. Oh, that's so cute. If I put some weights on it and let this drop, and with my hair like this, it might be onto something, all right, we're gonna go ahead and do the 360. Here's the back. Alright, nothing significant. I do have a couple of buds, as you can see. Here's one group, and then one of my really small ones that I can never find anymore. It's hidden in here somewhere. Where are you? Oh my gosh. Well, this is my undercut. As you can see, I'm still having issues here, but hopefully next time I can do something pretty dope with it, a little outside of the box, and I can't wait to show you guys that. My back area, this section is still having a couple of locks that are slipping out, which is okay. I mean, it's still month 2. I still have some time to go, so I don't really expect everything to be completely together. So these are my babies. I'm really happy. I do not have a distinctive part for anyone that's like, what, where's your part? Girl, I don't have one. The only thing I would change is I would have my mom redo this section and diamond parts, because I had some style ideas in my head where diamond parts would be slapping, but I'm gonna make it work either way, because it's gonna slap. It's my hair. It's good. It's beautiful. It is what it is. It's to poof you up a little. Oh, okay. All right, mama. Ooh. All right. So, a lot of people, I'm on Facebook groups, and I've been getting, I got one question, not even gonna hold y'all, about what products I use in my hair, and I'm not using anything on my hair. Month 1, I was using a mixture in my water bottle, the spray bottle. It was spring water with theirs. Now, let me explain to y'all why I was doing it. A lot of people were complaining about, like, hey, itching, what do you do for the itching? I don't have problems with itching, thank goodness. So I put them in the water bottle together, and I kind of loved the poofiness of my hair in month 1 before I got the retightening with the water sprayed in my head. Like, it gave it a little bounce, and now I'm at the point where I'm just embracing this stage, because every day I wake up and my hair is doing something different, and I love it. While it might look crazy to others, I have to embrace this journey and like it. So I've completely cut the whole spring of my hair unless I really feel the need to do so. Like, if my hair is sticking up and I have to go to work, then I'll do it. But I've gotten to the point where I'll put this clip in and I'll hold it down with the clip, and it won't look crazy no more. Like, and styling, I do absolutely no styling. This is the extent of the styling, like poofing it up and dropping this down from time to time. Nothing major. I probably won't style my hair until my birthday, and that's in June, and even then I don't think I want to style it. Like, I like this, and I want to embrace this because I love shortcuts, and this is giving me the chance to shape it and try different little cuts. I mean, without cutting my hair. When I did my washing, I had the issue where I was not braiding and banding, guys. Braiding and banding is important even if you don't have sister locks, and I didn't want to admit that some of my twists unraveled and some of them slipped out, especially this section because I had a sew-in before I got my starter locks put in, and I didn't know what I was doing with leave out, and it broke this little section off, and you could definitely see the difference. For example, there is this lock, right? It's not the shortest one. It's the shortest one, which is already budding. But this one, right, versus the rest. Like, y'all see that? Broke my hair off bad. That was me, not the stylist. I knew I should have took it out, but I kept it in for about 3 and some change months. So to shampoo, when I was at home, I was using the Trader Joe's Tingle the Tingle Tea Tree shampoo, and I love it. My loctician suggested that I switch over to the Suave clarifying shampoo, and I have not been able to get to the store and do it. And every time I go into CVS, I forget to pick up the shampoo because it's not the week I shampoo my hair. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I have not had any issues with drying. No drying on my scalp, my hair, etc. I keep my water intake level pretty high. This past week has been low, and I can tell. Like, your hair will tell you. My undercut is itching like crazy, and it is, like, y'all can see how it is. It's so much different. So I do know, and I'm starting to take my vitamins again. Now, when I washed my hair 2 weeks after my retightening, because I did not pick up the Suave Naturals and I did not have my Trader Joe's shampoo here, I had to use my Kaleidoscope Hair Studio Moisture Soap shampoo. And I know you're not supposed to use moisture shampoos in your hair in the beginning stages of locking, but it's all I had, and I did not think to use my Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree Castile soap. Like, why was I thinking that? It's a bit more drying, but I didn't have any issues with slippage with this. I really do love this shampoo so much because it has aloe in it, and it is also a clear shampoo. So around 6 months down this line, I'll probably switch back to this shampoo and using it because it is pH balanced, and I noticed my hair does so much better with pH balanced professional shampoos. And since I'll only be using shampoo, I want to make sure it is the best shampoo for my head. A lot of people probably be like, why aren't you conditioning? I'm not going to condition my hair until my loctician gives me the say so. Hey, go ahead, you can do a deep conditioning or you can condition your hair. And as of right now, neither of us noticed any issues with my hair where I need to do a conditioning treatment, yada yada yada. At my 1 year month, I am going to get a steam treatment done. I love sitting under the steamer, and I'm missing it right now, so that would be nice to do. As far as budding, I only see a couple of locks budding, and the frizziness is not as bad as month 1. So the frizziness was out of control, and it was probably because I had a couple of loose hairs, and I should have gotten my twist interlocked immediately after my mom installed them. That way the base was set and nothing was marrying with each other, yada yada yada. At this point now, I am supposed to be on a 6-week retightening schedule, which is going to be messed up because the weekend that I go home this month is 2 weeks before the time I'm supposed to get my hair retightened. So I will be skipping March and going into April. So If I notice any changes the next retightening, I will do a update video. But as of now, I kind of want to keep my update videos to every 2 months because I really notice significant changes right now within the 2 months, and I do not want to keep you guys with like, well, I don't know, like, I think my hair is doing this. It's the same as last month. Thank you for tuning in. Like, I don't want to do that because it's a waste of your time and it's a waste of my time. Let's be real. While others do notice changes and they have more to talk about, I don't really have much to talk about. And yeah. So, I want to thank you for tuning in and watching my video. If you have any questions, I will answer them in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in, and let's chat with each other. And that's that. Pictures and videos and stuff like that. And I was like,